And the pandemic is adding another layer of difficulty to life in Gaza. Vaccination uptake there remains low among the territory's 2 million inhabitants. And as DW Middle East correspondent Tania Kraemer reports from Gaza City, COVID-19 is further straining an already weak health system at a time when the economy is struggling and people are trying to rebuild.
Here in the center of Gaza City, in Al-Wahda Street, workers are still clearing the rubble of a building destroyed in the conflict between Israel and Hamas in May, one of the several continuing crises. A few blocks away, Dr. Shadi Awad and his team have been fighting the coronavirus pandemic at Gaza's largest hospital, Al-Shifa Hospital. This ward is dedicated to testing and treating patients suspected of having a COVID-19 infection. While the number of seriously ill patients has slightly decreased in recent days, infection rates remain high. We used to categorize these cases. Some cases went back home and were treated at home. There are cases that are admitted and treated in the hospital, and there were cases sent to intensive care. It will be approximately now a month for us in this wave. This has been the largest and most intense wave since the beginning of the coronavirus pandemic inside the Gaza Strip. The staff are exhausted, the doctor says. Over 1,500 people have died of COVID-19 in Gaza. The pandemic has further strained an already weak health system and dire economy. The small territory ruled by the militant group Hamas has been effectively cut off by Israel and Egypt for the past decade. Although scarce in the beginning, vaccines have become increasingly available, but more people need to take them.
Still, we will work with the community in engagement with the community and help the authorities here to spread the facts and the safety of the vaccine and to encourage people to get the vaccine. At the moment, Gaza has reached 40% of vaccination among the targeted population.
Roughly 1.2 million out of Gaza's 2 million inhabitants are eligible to get a jab at a vaccination center like this one. Authorities have made vaccinations mandatory for certain categories of people, such as those working with the public. However, reactions are mixed. In Gaza, there are a lot of problems, crowdedness, a lot of mixing when dealing with each other in the workplace, schools, among students, even with the elderly. Our society is very intertwined, so vaccination is very important. I took the first and second doses of the Sputnik vaccine, and now they send us the third dose. Here people are generally not so concerned about taking precautionary measures. They don't care about corona as before. I feel that people are going along with this circumstance. Maybe the thing that matters is the economic situation here. While the pandemic continues to weigh on daily life, it is just one of the several ongoing crises people have to deal with in Gaza.